Want to launch your first online business without spending a single dollar? Imagine having your own ebook, sales page, and funnel live today, all done with free tools and AI. Stick around because in the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to do it. The zero cost system is perfect for beginners who want a done for you online business setup. It's easy, fast, and eliminates all the usual headaches of paid tools, designers, or tech stress. So, what is it exactly? The Zero Cost System is a step by step digital course that teaches you how to create your first ebook or lead magnet, design professional e covers, build your opt in, sales, and thank you pages on System.io's free plan, launch without spending a dime on tools. It's built for beginners, side hustlers, and anyone who's ever thought, I want to start online, but I don't have the budget or experience. And the best part? It comes with unrestricted PLR, so you can rebrand, resell, or bundle the system and keep 100% of the profits. Here's how it works in real time. First, you generate your offer with AI prompts. You don't need to write a single line from scratch. Then, the course guides you to create a professional-looking e-cover automatically. And finally, you publish your funnel on System.io. Every step is video guided, short, and actionable, so you finish a tangible result each time. By the end, you have a fully functional product ready to sell or give away. There are two optional upgrades. Upsell 1, 100 brand new business and marketing ebooks for $27, PLR included. Upsell 2, traffic booster kit for $47, perfect for getting more eyes on your new offer. Both are optional, but highly recommended if you want to fast track your launch and scale your business. And to make this offer even juicier, here's my exclusive App Verdict bonus stack. Over 50 premium tools, but here's the top 10. WP Slideshow Master. Create attention-grabbing slideshows. WP Swift Page. Boost site speed and reduce bounce. Lead Book Generator. Automate Facebook leads directly into your email list. WP Email Timer. Plus, countdown timers for higher conversions. Conversion Equalizer. Automatically boost ad conversion ratios. Sales Page Recycler. Reuse any sales page effortlessly. Action Poll. Segment your email list for better opt-ins. Article Analyzer. Optimize content for SEO and traffic. Website Pouch Pro. Hide content or banners to increase engagement. Slide Up Bar plugin. Build mailing lists with beautiful floating bars. Plus, you'll get 100 ready-made niche blogs, affiliate system for product owners, social media automation tools, and much more, all ready to use. Here's the bottom line. The Zero Cost System gives you everything you need to launch a digital business today for just $7 during the dime sale. Bonuses like mine are limited to the first 25 buyers. So don't wait. Click the link below to grab the course plus my exclusive bonus stack before it's gone. You literally get everything you need to start making your first sales online, fast, free, and frustration-free. If you enjoyed this review, smash that like button, leave a comment with your biggest takeaway, and subscribe for more high-converting tools and reviews. Remember, click the link in the description for instant access to the Zero Cost System, plus my exclusive bonus stack. Start your first online business today, risk-free.